me, if you know about all of this privilege, all of these opportunities that comes with being pretty, that comes with being looking good, you would always want to look polished. You always want to look high maintenance. Hi, my name is Arika with the Vibe and welcome to my YouTube channel. As a woman, being beautiful can open doors, create opportunities, and give you access to places that other people struggle to get in. You may call it unfair, but it is what it is, and this is the reality we live in. And if you don't learn how to play the game, you might be left behind. If you know about pretty girls privilege, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Pretty girls privilege are those privilege that you get from people, from strangers. If you listen to a lot of girls online, you will hear them say, oh, I have never paid for any meals in my life. I have never ever had to pay for food at the restaurant. I've never had to pay for my hair or for the clothes that I wear. People take me for shopping. People pay for my hair, my nails, and everything. My food, people offer to help me. And that is why you see a lot of women online these days putting a lot of effort into their appearance, into the way they look. And trust me, if you know about all of this privilege, all of these opportunities that comes with being pretty, that comes with being looking good, you would always want to look polished. You always want to look high maintenance. You would always want to look like you have your life together, like you have $1 million in your account. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about beauty hacks. Those beauty hacks and tricks that you really need to take your look from 0 to 100. Most of these beauty hacks I'm talking about, you really don't need to break your bank or spend the whole time trying to get ready and all of that. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I know a lot of people will say we are beautiful the way we are, we are naturally endowed, but girls, you really need to put more effort into the way you appear, into the way you look. Honestly, the first thing I'm going to talk about is a double cleansing. Firstly, you need to get your face better, like your bare face. You need to get it smooth. I would always say to double cleanse because that is one thing that has really helped my skin to look better. How do we double cleanse? I do this mostly at night. I use micellar water with cotton pad. I take it over my face like just to cleanse it. After I'll go have my bath, then come back and then use a toner just to clean all the old dirt in my face. When your natural skin look better, look great, it is a plus for you because even when you put a makeup on it, it's going to come out looking so stunning. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is your eyebrows. This here, always have your eyebrows carved. This is a very simple hack that will take your look from 0 to 100. Honestly, always make sure that your eyebrows is trimmed, it is carved, like just to bring out the shape. Honestly, that is why some girls go for microblading. But if you don't have money for microblading, you can go for eyebrows lamination and tinting. It might not last long like microblading that can go for 2 to 3 years, but this one will also save you for like 2-3 months. Yes. And if you also don't have money for eyebrows lamination and tinting, you can go for threading, because that is what I would also be doing now. Because even when you do your makeup, you want to get your line in shape, and I want to be going for threading because it will give you that shape. It will appear more trimmer, more neater, and it will look very good. It will make your whole face pop. The next thing is eyelashes. Yes, your eyelashes. I know I'm not wearing one right now, but trust me, I have seen the way eyelashes really take your look from 0 to 100. Like once you just put it on, it will make your whole face pop. It will bring that glow into it. I don't wear eyelashes often because it's just so uncomfortable for me. I've come to peace with it that I won't be wearing it often. Only when I have like an occasion, that is when I'll put on eyelashes. And you don't necessarily have to do all of this hybrid or classic sets. There are ones now that we have. I'm going to put a video up on the screen. What is lash strip that you can apply by yourself. You can watch a YouTube video or videos on TikTok on how to apply your own lashes by yourself. Trust me, with the eyelashes, your look is going to be elevated. I've always been a nails girl. Like even in my university days, I always like when my nails are on fleek. I love getting my nails done. So your nails must always be clean. It must always be polished. You don't necessarily have to add any extension to it. Just make sure that your nails are clean, they are polished, we don't eat our nails. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. That's so silly. That's not a clean girl aesthetic. For people that want to get their nails done, you can always go for gel nails. Gel nails are more affordable. Like, it's literally 4,000 or 5,000 naira to get them done. And if you have money for acrylic, I will always say gel nails, because gel nails is even like more better than acrylic, but it depends on your choice anyways. But if you also cannot afford gel nails, or maybe because of time, you can always get a press-on nails, honestly. And that is what I'm currently wearing. I'm wearing a press-on nails. They are so affordable and they look so pretty, like they look so beautiful. Gone are those days when press-on nails are not so beautiful, but these days they are literally like a gel nail. It's so fine and I like it so much. This is like 2,000 naira. I got this thing for 1,000, and then to fix this is 1,000, which is like 2,000 naira. And this can literally go as long as 2 weeks or 3 weeks for me. Yeah. And also your toenails, your legs, they need to be polished, they need to be painted. Right now I'm having like a white polish on my leg that rhyme with this white tip. So you should go with colors that are like so neutral and so good. Like I'm not doing too much, but I still appear to look extra. So the next hack I'm going to talk about is your outfit. You need a clean and fitted outfit. You need to always have a clean clothes. Honestly, I've seen some people that will say, oh, because I wear this just a jacket today and it is not dirty, it doesn't look to be dirty, and then they wear it the next day. Even if it doesn't show that it is dirty, the odor that might come from that clothes will still sell you out. So you need a clean outfit every day. And another thing is having a fitted clothes. Honestly, this is so important. I myself have always struggled to pick clothes or outfits that really match or that really complement my body. And that is why a lot of influencers, a lot of public figure would always go and check their body out to check which outfit that will really complement their body. Yes, you need to know the kind of outfit that really goes with your body shape. Yes, like now I'm starting to understand that if I wear a little top, I need a baggy jean with it. Now I don't wear extra loose or big clothes because I have a small body. And if I wear too big clothes, it might not really fit me. So you really need to know your body shape to be able to get clothes that are fitted. And also the colors you pick must always rhyme. Not like you wear red on top, wear purple down, and then wear no. You need to know how to select colors. You need to know which colors that will go with which. So on days whereby you don't know what to wear or what color to wear, just wear neutral color like black, like white, like brown. So all those neutral color, they are so good. They just go into each other, like black and white just rhyme. So simple accessories can take your look from 0 to 100. Honestly, wearing accessories can elevate your whole look. Just having like a bracelet, a bangle, rings, and just earrings can really take your look from 0 to 100, and maybe a little pause. You don't even have to do too much, and don't wear stuff that are like tarnishing. This necklace, I've been using it over a year now, and it's like a non-tarnish steel. Get steel. If you don't have money to afford gold or original piece, you can just get a steel. It do not tarnish and they are very affordable. Always try to wear jewelry, wear accessories that will complement how you look, that will complement your outfit. Okay, so before I round up, I also want to talk about your hair. This is so important. I don't even know why I'm even talking about it in the last. Your hair is what will carry your look. You need to have a go-to hair, especially if you're a 9 to 5 like me. During the weekend, you need to know which hair you're wearing to work the next week. Yeah. If you want to braid your hair, braid it. But if you don't have money to always braid your hair every week or every month, then you can always do a simple style. Don't just leave your hair unpacked, unstyled. You can do all this simple ponytail. Like you can even do a gel ponytail by yourself. Just put a gel around it and add the extension to it. Yes, extensions are very important, honestly, especially when you don't want to spend so much money or you don't know which hairstyle you're going to wear. You can just do a little simple gel, add gel to it, add a ponytail to it, or just pack your hair, just style it. Always make sure that your wig are straightened, and if you're wearing a curly wig, always make sure that there are curls but I will even suggest like a straight wig like this or a bob, so that you can always straighten them, comb them down. And also for people that has a frontal, you can always go with hairband. And even if you are using a wig like this, like a closure, go with hairband. Honestly, I have invested in hairband also. Like I bought like 3 of them, just different colors, just to wear them on it, and they look so good on me, seriously. And also I want to advise that you get a glueless wig if you want to get a wig, or always get a closure. This one, it will not even take your time when you are going to work. You just have to style them down, put your hairband, and yes, you're ready to go. Wearing a little makeup can enhance your beauty, honestly, especially when you know how to do them. So you can also learn how to do a little makeup for yourself. Like right now, I'm not even wearing too much. I just did like a little foundation, a little contour, and then had this blue stuff, and then my lip combo. And look at me. No, just look at me, girl. I look so good. I look put together, like I have millions of money in my account. But packaging, yes, you have to package yourself. You need to know how to package yourself, because yes, you need to attract the right people. You need to attract the people that will help you, people that will support your goals. I honestly have a lot to talk about, like also like having a glass, like a sunshade when it's so sunny. Sunshade can actually elevate your look also, or just a normal glass. Beautiful shades can really elevate your looks. But I really don't have much time, so this is where I'm going to end today's video. And I hope this video resonates with one or more person out there. I hope you really pick 1 or 2 beauty hacks that will elevate your look. I really want to see everybody glowing, shining. I really want to see you look put together, because girl, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to come back next week, because here I have a new video coming up next week. See you in my next video. Bye.